Here's what's up. I'm going to be seeing you very soon. But I don't want that to be the first time that we get acquainted. I need your hearts and minds so wide open that by the time I finally hit the stage, you're not wondering what just happened. You're thinking, what's next? What else you got? So I want you thinking about breakthrough in advance. I'm being brought in, honestly, just to help you break through into whatever your next level is. So remember this, I've never seen a breakthrough that didn't require some breaks. So think in advance about 3 things that you either need to break away from, break out of, or break off. And then remember that breakthrough is literally about breaking into something new. So practice new stuff now. What's a new skill you need to acquire to get where you're trying to go? What's something new that you need to do? And what else new do you need to become? Think on those things, and then really think on the fact that purpose and breakthrough, they go hand in hand. We're going to spend a lot of time talking about purpose. I want you to think in advance about what purpose is to you. How much time do you feel like you spend in the dead center of your purpose, and be honest about how much time you don't. And I want you to really think about your definition of purpose, and then forget about it, because I'm going to come in and remix it anyway. So don't worry, it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't even have to be right. And in the meantime, hook up with me on Instagram at official Jade Simmons. That's where I hang out the most. And right before your event, you'll probably see a post that's winking at you. Put some of these answers in there. I want to know what you've been thinking about, and then you might hear some of that come right back at you from the stage. Speaking of the stage, I'll be seeing you from there very soon. See you later.